Yeah, so the Defender wouldn't start, so I'm going over to my brother's to borrow a booster. So hopefully that is fully charged and can jump start the Defender. Welcome to another garage episode. In this video you will see all the things that I have to do to get the Defender in the garage. My garage is 5 meters times 8 meters long, so it's enough space to do all the things that I need to do to my Land Rovers. The only issue is the entrance height. I need to do different stuff to get the Defender in. But first I need to get the Defender started. And on this day, it will be proven that it was easier said than done. To start with, I borrowed my brother's booster, hoping it would be enough to get it started. Here we go. So this the Defender has been standing still for I don't know, really a long time now. So it hasn't been on any trip since the winter Overland. So I charged it I think 3 weeks or a month ago, and now it's dead. So hopefully a boost will be enough. Come on. Oh. Okay, so it wouldn't start with the booster, so I need to just take the battery out and charge it in the garage, and hopefully later today we can just put in the battery and start it. The battery's out and it's heavy. This is the specs. So it's a pretty good battery, but I need to charge it. So I'm using this smart charger from Biltema. It's pretty decent, been working well. The only complaint I have is when the battery voltage is very low, it struggles to start charging. So, but if you start it two to four times, then it would start charging after a while. So the battery has been charging for 5-6 hours now. So, charge the battery. This is the first time I'm trying to start it. Hopefully. Come on. Woo! So happy. I need to get it in the garage, so when I come home from Easter break, he's ready to start working on the steering box, because that's really leaking. So this leak is already fixed. This was filmed back in 2019 and after our winter Overland training video. During that trip, my small steering leak became my big steering leak. Get that sorted so we can go on trips again. Defender in garage procedure is about to begin, and the first thing off is the bonnet, or hood if you like. If I'm working in the engine bay, it has to come off before I drive into the garage, because the inside height is simply not high enough. The next thing that has to come off is the snorkel top. It's just a simple screw and it's off. Then to the next thing, which is the most hassle, airing down. I have to air down almost all the air, and every time I'm afraid of damaging the tires. The last step is adding weight to the back. I usually use the other set of tires to get enough weight. Since I've been doing this for a while, I've learned my own technique to be sure that I cleared the entrance. It's in. I need to air up. The inside height of the garage is just high enough so I can jack up both the Discovery and the Defender without any issues. Yes, Defender is in the garage.